Hello everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you will be learning this beautiful cute little explosion box. So here I have used these paper flowers. If you want to learn these paper flowers, you can check the link in description box. I have given it there. Hope you will be loving it. So before moving further to our tutorial, make sure you have subscribed to our channel if you haven't done it yet, so you will not miss any update from our channel. So let's move to our tutorial. For making our today's tutorial, we need to have all these things: black cardstock, some pattern papers. Here I am using Trust My Craft Hydrangea launch paper pads, some flowers and sentiments for decoration purpose, glue, scale and scissors. So let's start. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. Starting here, I am taking my Trust My Craft multi-purpose scoring board. If you don't have scoring board, you can score the lines using your scale and pencil. So here I am taking this cardstock which measures 9 inches. So here I am going to score on 3 inches. If you are a crafter, then you must have this tool. It makes your work very easy. And then here I am going to score on 6 inches. Like that. Now I will rotate this, and again here I am scoring on 3 inches, and then again here I am scoring on 6 inches. So as you can see the creases. Now we have to cut this corners part, these all 4 corners, using our scissors, or if you don't have, or you can use your paper trimmer for this. Here I am using my scissor for this. So you have to cut all 3 corners like that. So as I have cut all the 4 corners, so our first layer is ready. Now we have to just fold it like that, and we have to crease using our bone folder like that. Now I want to add one more layer, so for that here I have taken this one more cardstock which measures 7.5 inches. So here I am going to score on 2.5 inches. Again I am going to score on 5 inches as we have done before. So I have rotated this, and again I am going to score on 2.5 inches, and then again on 5 inches. We have to follow the same procedure, and we have to cut these 4 corners using our scissors. As I have done both the layers, now we have to add pattern papers on these 5 part of our layers. So for that, here I have already cut some pattern papers as per the measurement of our explosion box. So we have to add like that. Now we have added all the pattern papers on our both layers. Now we have to paste this upper layer on the center of the lower layer like that. Now let it dry for some time, and till then we will make the lid of our explosion box. As our explosion box measures 3 by 3 inches, so we have to make the lid of our explosion box as per this measurement. So here I have taken this cardstock which measures 5 by 1/8 inches. So we have to measure on 1 inches from all the sides like that. As you can see the creases. Now we have to cut using our scissors. We have to cut all the 4 sides like that. First from here, like, second from here, third from here, fourth from here. Now we have to make creases using our bone folder. are corners like that. Here we have to add glue and then we have to paste it like that from all the sides. Then we will be able to make our lid for the explosion box. So now our lid is ready. So we have to paste some pattern papers on upper of our lid and side portion of our lid. So let's paste. So now our lid is ready. So we have to decorate it using some flowers and some sentiments. So you can put your lid like that, like that. Your little mini explosion box is ready almost. Now we are going to decorate the lid of our explosion box. So our explosion box is ready. As you can see here, I have added these sentiments. You are the best and always and forever. So we have to open it like that. And now here I have attached some like motifs. And here I have also attached, and you can add little tags like that. And you can add little tags here also like that. And on these space you can add some pictures of your loved ones. And then you can gift them this beautiful explosion box. It is very easy to make. Hope you all would love it. So if you are liking our videos, then please do subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon and give it a like if you liked it. So thanks for watching. Keep watching Manishka's Art and Craft World.